Reveal is a recessed extrusion that fits within the thickness of 5/8 inch drywall. It is used for cove and pathway lighting. To order a reveal system, begin by creating a lighting design with dimension lines. Round up to the nearest whole foot and label each segment. In this example, we show a typical wiring scheme with line voltage wiring from the switch to the remote power supply and Class 2 low voltage wiring from the remote power supply to the beginning of each run. The remote located power supply shown here can be located over 100 feet away. In this example, we are installing a 3-foot segment and 7-foot segment along the top of the wall, and a 3-foot segment and 7-foot segment along the bottom. To determine a run length, simply add each segment together. Then add each run together to determine the system length. In this example, since we have two 10-foot runs, our overall system length is 20 feet. We will use this total length later when selecting the power supply. Simple miter corners will be cut on site during installation. See the installation video for more details. Now we will visit the Pure Edge Lighting website and locate the Reveal product page. Scroll down the page to view the ordering code. The black text means it's a fixed element, while the gray text indicates that we will need to make a selection from the options listed. Create the ordering code by selecting the desired wattage, overall run length needed, and color temperature. Note, each of the two 10-foot runs will need their own ordering code. This ensures that you'll receive all of the necessary components. For a full list of included components, reference the spec sheet on the product page. Once the ordering codes are defined, we will need to specify a compatible remote power supply. Begin by selecting your desired power supply technology, either ELV 0 to 10 volt, or for use with tunable white and color changing systems, DMX. Refer to the How to Order PDF to select the correct remote power supply that fits your system. In this example, the power supply box 60 watt electronic low voltage 24 volts direct current remote power supply is the most efficient choice because it has the smallest wattage while meeting the power requirements for the system. Now you have all the parts you need for a complete system. Reveal is a minimal recessed solution for indirect lighting on the ceiling or a soft, discrete toe kick. Recessing in 5/8 inch drywall makes this a preferred choice by installers. For further documentation, visit the product page for spec sheet, installation instructions, IES files, and more. For further assistance from our lighting experts, send your ideas to design@pureedgelighting.com. Pure Edge Lighting. Lighting personalized.